clear rolling picture that unfolds as you watch. Remember, a vision is when you're awake and a dream is when you're asleep. So you're awake and you're watching this picture unfold. There are generally 4 ways that you can receive visions, and we're going to have a look at each one. So the first one is in a quick flash. So if I were to ask you if you perhaps see your visions in a quick flash, you might be able to relate to this. When you know that you have something, you just have this impression that comes, but it's gone. It's almost before you realize what you've seen, it's gone. And you are still aware of your surroundings, but you know that you've seen something, but you didn't get the full picture, and it was kind of in a split second. So it seems to flash in and out of our eyesight, and it's very, very quickly. The second way that you could have a vision is a clear rolling picture that unfolds as you watch. Remember, a vision is when you're awake, and a dream is when you're asleep. So you're awake and you're watching this picture unfold. Time stands still and you are enveloped in this vision. You are still in the same place, but you've been caught away spiritually, and you are now looking. You're not looking, you're not even aware of your surroundings. You're seeing another picture unfold in your vision. It's similar to watching television or a computer screen. And I'm sure some of you, if I were to ask you, do you perhaps see the clear rolling picture? I remember many years ago, I was praying with a pastor from, I think it was Zimbabwe. And as she held my hands, and she was in South Africa, we were at a women's conference. As she took hold of my hands, it was like we were in a bubble. It really felt that way. I was totally oblivious to what was going on around me. I know they were worshiping and we were praying, but it felt like we were totally isolated by God and just in this bubble. It was such an incredible experience. And then I started seeing visions for her, and I could minister to her, but it was such a vivid reality at the time that I've never forgot it. It was just so incredible to experience. So the third option is like a trance. And some of you might have experienced that. So you are transported in the vision and you feel part of the activity in the vision. You may not have moved off your earthly spot. You're still exactly where you are, but you are completely unaware of where you are. You've been transported into another place inside the vision, and we're going to have a look at a trance shortly. The fourth one is a vision where you verbally communicate back and forth with a person in the vision, and this is rather interesting as well. So you are able to ask questions in the vision, you speak, and the person speaks back to you, i.e., it's Jesus speaking back to you. You know that you are not physically there, but you are there spiritually. You're unaware of your earthly physical place, and it can also be quick, or it can take a long time.